Hi guys, so in 2022 I converted my own single car garage to a dedicated screen print studio in order that I could set myself up to print for my own clothing brand. At the time I didn't know I was going to be creating a YouTube channel all around that process, so I didn't create an awful lot of video footage, but I did take quite a lot of photos. So what follows now is a brief montage into that journey start to finish so you can see the before and after. I hope you enjoy it. Check it out. So I hope you enjoyed that. It's certainly been really interesting for me to pull that together and look back and see how far I've come. If you're interested, I'm creating a channel here all around starting and growing your own clothing brand. It'd be great if you could join me. Please hit the like and subscribe button and check out some of the other videos on the channel. Thanks a lot guys. See you in a bit.